you. Peace through pain is precious, especially when it's done by you. Itching is the thoughts inside, craving out to come alive. It's just doing what it's gonna do. Times are looking grim these days, holding on to everything. It's hard to draw the line, and I'm hiding in this empty space, tortured by my memories of what I left behind. Shut the fuck up, get up. Shut the fuck up, get up. Shut the fuck up, get up. Times are looking grim these days, holding on to everything. It's hard to draw the line, and I'm hiding in this empty space, tortured by my memories of what I left behind. Shut the fuck up, get
Say, Joe. It's the champagne pouring, big joint rolling, Bombay sipping, no blunt smoking, bad bitch getting thick and she got some friends with her. I take them out, pour shots of liquor, drinking out the bottle, smiling at all my pictures. The marijuana loud, so them hoes follow like Twitter. Nigga, you know everything Taylor. Don't rush to the bar, fool, if you ain't got no paper. That's the rules. High as fuck, sloppy drunk when I'm passing through. Rolling doobies up, your hoe who we pass them to. Hit the club, spend this money up, roll another one, drink, act a fool. That's what I have to do. Champagne all night, never worry about a damn thing. Y'all might, homie, I'm on my level. Yeah, 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 take one shot to the brain and order 3 more shots. I'm going in. Hey, I'm on my level. Yeah, I'm on my level.
If you having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. I got the rap patrol on the cat patrol. Foes that want to make sure my cast is closed. Rap critics to save money, cash holes. I'm from the hood, stupid, what type of facts are those? If you grew up with hoes in your zap for toes, you celebrate the minute you was having dope. I'm like, fuck critics, you can kiss my whole asshole. If you don't like my lyrics, you can press fast forward. Got beef with radio if I don't play they show. They don't play my hits, so I don't give a shit. So, rap mags try and use my black ass, so advertise to give them more cash for ass fuckers. I don't know what you take me as, or understand the intelligence that Jay-Z